After the allegation was raised against the Tipra Motha for not having central committee, the Tipra Motha CAC committee and TWF CAC committee was formed. Tipra Motha Central Working Committee member Mebar Kumar Jamatia gave this announcement through a press meet at the Ujanta Palace on Thursday evening. After getting separated from Tipra Motha, an allegation was made against Tipra Motha by TSP saying that they still don't have any central committee or party constitution. Tipra Motha has proved themselves that this allegation was truth raised by the TSP. After this allegation on the last 15 September, the president of Tipra Motha Vijay Kumar Rangkol gave this announcement about a central committee was formed with 6 members. Out of them, they are Maharaja Pradit Kishore Devarma, Vijay Kumar Rangkol, Jagadish Devarma, Animesh Devarma, Mebar Kumar Jamatia and MLA Brishakatu Devarma. After that, once again on Thursday, Tipra Motha has announced the Central Advisory Committee of Tipra Motha, which was formed with the member of 7, and Central Advisory Committee of TWF was formed with a member of 7. Tipra Motha Central Working Committee member Mebar Kumar Jamatia gave this announcement through a press meet at the Ujanta Palace on Thursday evening. Among these 7 members, they are Gauri Shankar Riyang, Burba Mohan Tripura, Narendra Devarma, Chandra Day Rupini, S.K. Darlong, Ranjit Devarma, and Ramesh Devarma. Likewise, the CSC members of TWF are Pavitra Bhakti Jamatia, Sindhu Kanya Jamatia, Bina Rani Devarma, Alma Lamin Gautam Roy, Rekha Kalai, and Mamta Devarma.
Balai ke hambai, tini sing tinta point natigi, chin official press conference, chin Tipra Motha party, klai tongo, ek number hangkai, puila sing, khane 30 tarik September ro, edisi area bond dakhok mani, abalai ke successful, te peaceful, balai ke kam ke paikha, mani bagi sing jot to media no, te chin police profession, te jot to jonagon, Tipra sanon Tipra jot to no chin hambai rogo, kate borok sing bak no balai ke borok subakha, especially police profession ang hambai marogo, borok sing balai ke hambai rogo, tamke boroni help chara, jonagon help chara, sing chini bonno success claim ya. Te oma puila Tipra history go, prothom barang khana, puilang khana, sing 30 ta 35 ta jaga go, sing road block laikya. Dormono hoite sabrum poento, pura sing 30 ta spot sing jasai khena kha, te a jaga jote onek spot o 4000 5000 borok gathering. Aro sing assessment khaikha pray 1 lakh ni upor. 1 lakh hai borok singno participate khaikha, o movement join khaikha. Tar mane chin Tipra Motha balai khane strong, balai khe tini Tipra borok singno sajjo khaikha. Ob ekta tini itihas. Secondly sing tini CWC Central Working Committee ni approval nagui sing duita committee khaikha. Kaise angkai Central Advisory Committee of Tipra Motha. Aro sing 7 jon sing member sing sus nakha. Aro tongo nini Gauri Shankar Riyang tini South ni chini khuk chini okra borok khuk obiggo borok sing mono nakha teni Boro Mohan Tripura bo chini ex MLA bono sing nahoka te Narendra Devarma chini kok kurung suina kurung chini okra te Chandra Day Rupini bo khuk chini okra no mane chini ha do khane bo belek samung tangnai te SK Darlong bo khuk senior khoroksa khuk obiggo borok khuk talented sing bono nakha te Ranjit Devarma bo bahine didgo din chini bagi samung thai tongo chini senior khoroksa te Ramesh Devarma bo chini ageo chini 1GC ni officer chini outlaw tongo chini da Ramesh bo bahine khuk jati ni bagi hani bagi bo wan songnai aro bisi sing burini omoke TWF ni Central Committee Advisor sing aro 7 jon sing borok mangkha chini chairperson sing rekha Pavitra Bhakti Jamatia sing joto saimano bo onek obiggo bo chini hado phane bagi dirgo bosor samung tang tongo te Sindhu Kanya Jamatia chini ageni president bo bahine onek experience te chini plus senior chini Tipra Motha plus bri bodolo te Bina Rani Devarma bo bahine chini korko senior khuk obiggo borok chini hado phane bagi bo samung khai tongo Alma Lamin Devarma bo bahine chini khuk chini bagi hado phane bagi bo samung tangi tongo te Gautami Rai bo town ni borok bo Devarma no bo bahine chini hado phane onek samung khai tongo te Rekha Kaloi khoroksa bo khuk experience buri bo Dumasorani Rekha Kaloi bo khuk chini hado phane bo bahine samung khai nai te Momata Devarma jotto maike sing jasai khlai जों जोंनि सिनियर सिटिजेन जाहाथे जोंनो एडभाइस खालामनाय अभिज्ञ बरं जों साइनाखा जों तै महाराज साका যদি দরকার না হাঁকলে जों अब तैबो जों बारे रमानो 7 जन तैबो जों कयजन जों बारे रमानो अब जों सालायका जों अब जों बरक गाहाम हांखले जों अब तैबो एड खैना ओमफ्राय तै बेलायखे जोंनि सबसे इम्पोर्टेन्ट बेलायखे कायसा जोंनि प्रेस कन्फारेन्स सादायख्लायो जोंनि फाइनाय 14 तारिख 14 अक्टोबर आरो महालय क्लायो आपन जों जराकरिनि बागै जों जोंनि खुमुलुं हेडक्वार्टार जों बिराद जोंनि गैदारिं नाय जों एक्सपेक्ट खालायो 40-50 हाजार बा मिनिमाम जों 20-30 हाजार हाय बरक थुमनाय तैबो फाइमानो जों बेसेबां जों जतनो इन्स्ट्राक्शन खायरेखा जोंनि युथ न YTF न तै बुमा बदल न तै स्टुडेन्ट जतनो आरो पार्टिसिपेट खालायनाय जों दिनै अब मोमेन्टाम जों केन्द्र सरकारनो फुंना बागै जे त्रिपुरा मथा ताकफोन त्रिपुरागो जों सेकेन्ड पोजिशन BJP नि परेगो जों त्रिपुरा मथा जोंनि त्रिपुरा रायजोआव जों स्ट्रं दंगो आपनो जों फुंना बागै तै जोंनि जत जोंनि ट्राइबनो बा जोंनि सिख्लानो स्पेशली युथ न जों दायित्व रखा बरक आपनो जों खालायनाय गां खाकागो जोंनि त्रिपुरा मथानि जे जोंनि खरां जोंनि आवाजनो जों दिल्लीयाव पाठावनाय अब पिसफुल रेलिंनाय आरो कुनो जों सानाय प्रशासन दा जोंनो हेल्प खालायदि पिसफुल वे डेमोक्रेटिक वे जों जोंनि रेलि खालायनाय खुमुलुंगो आं खाकागो जोंनि जतनो रेडिं खा जों जतनो ट्रेनिं जों प्रिपारेसन लानाय तै जरा तंख जों 14 तारिखआव जों बिराद गैदारिं खालायनाय अबनो जों दिनै अफिशियली त्रिपुरा मथा हयते साख्लायजाखा हामबाय.
Further, the Tipra Motha Political Secretary ex-MLA Rajeshwar Devarma in the press meet said that a public meeting of Tipra Motha will be held on 14 October in Khumulung. Tipra Motha Central Working Committee member Meber Kumar Jamatia, Tipra Motha Political Secretary ex-MLA Rajeshwar Devarma, YTF State President Runal Devarma and other members of TWF were present at the press meet. Reported by Shalsung from Agartala, Chini Khorang.